I don't know who needs to hear this, but you want to know why you still broke? Because it's your mindset and lack of a mentor. All wealthy people, no matter how rich or wealthy they are, they still have a mentor. For you to get to the next level, there's 3 things you need a model. Number 1, their belief systems. Abandon your old beliefs. Be willing to examine your current beliefs for new ones that will serve you better. Face it, if you only think things are true, it's because you believe them. Number 2, model their physiology. Successful people don't pay attention to the ground because they know that's where dreams are buried. People who are winning, they focus on looking forward. They are willing to keep selling regardless if people believe it or not. Number 3, model their syntax. Rearranging the order of the words to change the meanings. Here's an example. Broke people believe that the first thing they need to do is to get out of debt. Wealthy people believe they use that debt to create their wealth. Use your debt to create wealth. Your debt is a gold mine. You need to pick up that DIY ebook. Join my Facebook group. DM me debt to set a consultation. Or text me at 833-541-DEBT. Let's grow. Let's get to the next level, baby. We out.